Today in this video we will learn about how can I change default product group in Whmcs. For that, log into Whmcs and then go to Setup, Product Services and then again Product Services section. Now drag the arrow icon of a particular group to the top of the previous group. In this way, this group will become the default group. The desired product group is set up as a default now since it is at the top. You can also see the success message which displays that your changes has been saved.